Now to a shark attack victim who is recovering tonight. This is where it happened. Lovers Point. Swim off the Monterey coast turned into a near-death experience. As KRON 4's Haaziq Madyun reports, now some of the victim's colleagues are sending well wishes for a speedy recovery.
Shark attack victim Stephen Broomer is listed in fair condition and continuing to recover, according to officials at Natividad Hospital in Salinas. Broomer was in the water Wednesday at around 10:30 a.m. at Lovers Point Beach in Pacific Grove when it happened. This is video of a Good Samaritan swimming out with an extra surfboard to help bring him ashore.
I know Steve's really active. He swims all the time. He's constantly out in the bay. So it didn't surprise me that he was out there in the middle of it all.
John Skellinger is a former work colleague of Stephen Broomer, who recently retired as a member of the tech department at Monterey Peninsula College.
I just wish him all the best. I want him to get well soon and have a quick recovery.
He received more get well wishes from the college administration in a statement that reads, quote, "Faculty and staff from around the college are expressing their desire to communicate well wishes and support for Steve and his family." Steve served as an online instructional technology specialist working at MPC for over 15 years before his retirement on December 30th, 2020. A drone used by first responders to search for the shark was unsuccessful. Broomer suffered multiple bite wounds, and that evidence was used by the California Department of Fish and Wildlife's forensics lab to determine that he was bitten by a white shark. Lovers Point and Sea Palm Turnout will remain closed until Saturday, according to Pacific Grove Police. Haaziq Madyun, KRON 4 News.